Hi guys, this is Ranish Malan from Compose. I am again here to introduce you with something new. So let's see how an object selection tool works in Photoshop 2020. So in the previous versions, we have to select an object with the quick selection tool or a marquee tool or some other tool like this. But we have something new and powerful here. So let me introduce you with the object selection tool. For that, press the Ctrl T. Now here where you find the quick selection tool, click and hold, and here you will find the object selection tool. The shortcut key is same for these three tools, which is W. So select the object selection tool. So now just go to the mode and make sure we have the rectangle selected. So we will make a rectangle selection. For this, make a selection around the object and Photoshop will find out what object is in the frame. So you can see the object is selected. Here we find some issues. We can rectify that. Change the mode to the lasso, and here you can find add to selection mode. Select that and start making the selection, and you can see the Photoshop identifies the object part which was left and made the selection. So this is very powerful tool according to me. We can now make the changes to this part. Like I want to change the color. For that I will use hue saturation, and here you can see we can make the changes like this. So I hope you liked it. This is very powerful tool. So I hope you liked the video, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel and do press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Thanks for watching.